Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make $100 in 5 minutes. Yes, you can make $100 in 5 minutes for each day of the month, each day of the year. Some of you are like, this sounds too good to be true. Hey, I will show you in this video. But before I show you how you can earn money in your house, $100 every day, you know the culture in this channel. We smash the like button. We smash the subscribe button. So if you do not like and subscribe, I will sing for you. Or you like, subscribe, like, subscribe, 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 like. So before I show you how to be making this money you are seeing in my hand, do your own part by liking this video. Smash it, caress it. The way we're making this money is by using a website called Canva. It's like Photoshop. It's just that it's online. It's a digital Photoshop. So it's used for creating designs, editing designs, designing designs. So whatever you can do in Photoshop, you can do it on Canva. You don't need to download any software, and you can start using Canva for free by just clicking the link in my bio or typing it on Google. First of all, you need to know how to create designs on Canva. And once you can create designs on Canva, you go and register for freelancing services on Fiverr, Upwork, Guru, Freelancer. There are so many websites online for you to register as a freelancer and create Canva designs for people. And the good thing is that what you are creating is simple. You are creating mostly social media posts. Your client may require a work from you that he or she will post on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or even their website. So you, as the creator, your job is to create the design. And I will show you how to make design easily. You can create one design and it will be formatted to all the different social media that is popular in the world right now. And let me show you the how of making $100 in 5 minutes. If you want to learn about this Canva that will enable you to make $100 in 5 minutes, I've already created a course for you, Canva for Beginners. So it will teach you the A to Z of Canva. And you can take this course for free by checking the link in the description. Also, you don't have to take my course. I'm not here to sell my course to you. You can type Canva tutorial on YouTube for you to learn how to use Canva for free. So once you are done learning how to use Canva, which is very important and key in this side hustle, you go to canva.com, which I'm showing you here. Signing up is free. Don't go for the pro option since you are a beginner. So, and the free option is enough for you to start making $100 per day. And since most of my subscribers are Nigerians, $100 per day in Naira is 50,000 Naira. So in one day, what am I saying? In 5 minutes, you'll be making 50,000 Naira. And you are selling your service on freelancer website. And the most popular of them all is Fiverr. So you can sell it on Fiverr, on Upwork, on Guru, on Freelancer, Toptal. There are several of them, but the most popular is Fiverr. So let's go with it. So you can see I'm here on Fiverr. You type Canva. Freelancing means that you can offer your service to multiple clients. So you are not bound to one client. That's why it's called freelancing. So you are working for different clients. This one is saying, I will design anything on Canva from Instagram posts to flyers. I will design social media posts, ads, Canva templates. I will design professional social media posts, Canva templates for your brand. So these are the different services that other people are offering. So you are going to be like them because you're going to be offering similar service. Let's take this lady's own as an example. She said that I will create quality, eye-catching, and branded designs in Canva. And how much is she charging? £31, which is like $40. And for the standard, she's charging £89. For the premium, she's charging £133, which is like $150. So someone is charging $150 for a design that she can make probably in 5 minutes. So you will see, I'll create one design for you as an example for you to see that to create a design on Canva is not difficult. And you can see this lady is now making money. And that even reminds me, there are a lot of ladies that are subscribing to my channel, so thank you all. So for you ladies that are subscribing to my channel, you will not only make $100, you will make $200 in 5 minutes. So thank you. I see that my subscriber base is growing. You guys are really wonderful. We are blowing up now. By December, we'll have 1 million subscribers. Well done, well done, well done. So what we're doing now on this video is to show you how to create designs like this easily and simply on Canva. So you go to Canva and you sign up, and I'm creating a post for social media. So you click on social media. There are all kinds of social media posts that people make: Instagram, Twitter, WhatsApp, blah blah blah, blah blah blah. A is B, B is C, C is D, K is D, whatever I post. So, but I want to create a design that will cover for all of them, which is to click on the first one, quick create collection. So this collection has for Instagram story, Facebook post, Facebook cover, Twitter, Pinterest, email header, LinkedIn post. So one design you will create will be spread across all these different platforms. So we're already here. You click on continue. Type whatever your client asks you to type. In my own case, I want to type food. Food is sweet, and you people like food a lot. So that's why I'm using food as an example. So we call it foodie. And let's say, we want to say best food hub or food center. Best food hub in Lagos. Yeah, I pick Lagos because most of my subscribers are from Nigeria, so they can relate with it easily. So you are seeing it. We have foodie, best food hub in Lagos. And then you click on continue. Now at this stage is where you upload the images you want to use for your client. And I will always encourage you to go for pexels.com. So you see, pexels.com is the best free stock photos, royalty-free images and videos shared by creators. So which means you can use the pictures and videos here for free without even referencing the creator or paying this website. There are other websites that charges you for using the photos and images, but this one you can use it for free. Then you type what you are interested in. So in my own case, it's food. You see, there are different food as here. So what you do now is download any of these pictures that excite you. This looks so yummy. So download any of these images that excite you. And remember, we are at point 3. And point 3 is where you upload these images to Canva, which is what you see I've done here. And once you upload it, it will change this format that you are seeing here. So pick any one that you like to display. But since talking about food center in Nigeria, let's go for our rice and chicken. Our jollof rice is better than Ghana jollof rice. So if you're from Ghana, thank you for subscribing, but Nigeria jollof rice is still better. You click on continue. So you see, here they say select the template collection from the previews on the right. So there are a lot of previews on the right. You can pick any one that you prefer. You are seeing it. Different collections are here. But I choose to go with this. This one looks beautiful. Then you click continue. And on continue is where you choose the color that you want to use for your post. As I click on each of these palettes, you can see that the colors will be changing. But I want to go for the suggested one, which is the original palette. It already looks good, so I think I will use it. And once you are done with that, you click on finish. So you see, in less than 5 minutes, I have created a collection that can be posted on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, website, email, even LinkedIn. Hey! So you've made your $100 in about 5 minutes. Let's see what we've created. See my collection for you to see what we've created. So let's view it for you to see it. You click on present folder for you to view what you've created. So the first one is Instagram, how it will look on Instagram. You're seeing it, foodie, best food hub in Lagos. Next one we are seeing is Facebook cover. This is how it will look on Facebook. The next one is how it will look as a Facebook post. See the chicken. The next one is how it will look as a post on Instagram. It looks yummy. Yummy, 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 yummy. It looks like what someone like Sisi Yemi or Sisi Jemima will prepare. So you are seeing it. This is how it will look on LinkedIn for those of you that are professionals. So now, this is what you will send to your client for them to post on Instagram, on Facebook, on Twitter, and etc. But sometimes they might ask you to do a revision, change some things, change the color, change the format. But those ones are basics. You know, there are things that you can easily adjust. Maybe instead of typing foodie, you type, I love this channel. I am subscribed to this platform. It's the same thing. So I don't want to make this video long. That's just the end of this video. And before you go out, wait now. You too dey hurry. Take your $100 by subscribing to my channel and liking this video. If this video get 1,000 likes, hey! If this video get 1,000 likes, I'll give somebody free $100. I'll just send it to your account. If this video get 1,000 likes.